If you missed last week's video, go back and check it out.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing with a popsicle stick bridge, some toilet paper rolls, hand towel rolls, more toilet paper rolls, palette homemade by me, as well as the bridge, some dollar store purchased pallets. Well, when you're indoors and it's cold outside, RC adventures tend to slow down just a tad. So you have to get creative and come up with your own things to produce content, or if you're just a hobbyist, to keep yourself busy until the spring. So what I'm going to do here is come up with like a little mini crawler course and just see how it goes. And it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc.
Alright, let's see if I can get out of this. Okay guys, welcome back. So what I have to do now is just come up with a course concept. Let me know in the chat what you guys do in the wintertime if you're a hobbyist. Let's see what I can come up with while the Jeep charges.
A few moments later.
So the object would be to go up here, climb up here, get on the bridge, go across, and then come back down. We're gonna start here. Definitely gonna have to do some kind of U-turn here. Come up on these ramps here, crawl up here through the toilet paper, hand towel roll obstacle to the finish line. Turn transmitter on, vehicle on.
Bruh.
Alright guys, here we go. Up there we go. I don't know if this is going to make it. Let's just keep going. Oh Lord. Okay, well, she's upright. Let's see if we can get it on the bridge. Uh-oh, this isn't going to end well, guys. And we're stuck in this part here. Now what I want to do is try to get out of the situation without any interference from me. So I'm just going to send it. Of course, my track could use some work, but let's just try. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. Yeah, I'm about to destroy the whole track. Alright, well, we got it down. So this is what happened to the course. Let me repair the course and then we can try again. Okay, we're back again. Alright, so as you can see, I made some adjustments here. I'm just gonna make it like a standard bridge. That first one was a fail. That was a little sketchy. Okay guys, so I'm basically going to end it there because it is no fault by any means. I repeat, no fault of the vehicle itself. I just have to work on my engineering skills as far as creating homemade crawling courses, and basically I just need like a bunch of weights or anchors so the vehicle can have something, some kind of force to go against versus a light piece of toilet paper rolls. Yeah, so with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video or the failure of the video, hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps make YouTube algorithm happy, and it'll make us here at noprosrc happy as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos.
Ladies and gentlemen,
and a lot of you guys, I've noticed you watch the channel but you are not subscribed. What's up with that? Come on, guys and gals, show some love. If you have a Google email address, it's free. Just click the subscribe button. Show some love, show some support to the channel. We would greatly appreciate it. Please and thanks. Alright, just do me that solid, do me that favor. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, even though it was a fail. We're going to get better because we're no pros. Alright, so y'all be easy. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Peace. Yeah. Peace.